Hello and welcome to the Muggles Potions Masterclass. If you're a pharmacy student or a PRP or a provisionally registered pharmacist looking for tips or tricks as well as how to survive your internship year here in Malaysia, this is the channel for you. The Muggle Potions Masterclass is your go-to resource for mastering pharmacology and navigating the journey of becoming a registered pharmacist in Malaysia. Whether you're a pharmacy student eager to understand the pharmacology of local medicines or a provisionally registered pharmacist, a PRP, looking for survival tips and guidance, this channel is for you. Explore in-depth explanations of drug mechanisms, therapeutic uses, and side effects, alongside practical advice on thriving in your provisional year. Join our community of aspiring healthcare professionals and make your magical journey through the world of pharmacy a success. Understand the medicines available in Malaysia, and have tips and tricks to ace your provisional year. This is how to apply pharmacy knowledge like a pro, and this is coming from the pro itself. Subscribing to this channel will give you engaging bite-sized lessons, clear and practical explanations of all the pharmacology, side effects, and therapeutic uses of each medication, as well as join the supportive pharmacy community that we provide here. The Muggles Potions Masterclass is the place to be. So hit the subscribe button and start brewing your pharmacy knowledge today. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Bye.